Hey everyone, welcome back to the Wildwoods and Farms YouTube channel. My name is Grayson, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a DIY bee stand. Somewhere where you can place your beehives up off of the ground. This is one that I've used for a while. My granddad made the first 5, so I just went out there, did some measurements, took them back, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make it. All you'll need is a 2x4 and a post, and of course you will have to be handy with tools. If you're not, then you might just want to buy some stands off of Amazon, or you may just want to use pallets, or you can use 2x4s with some cinder blocks, which you probably can look up online how to do that as well. So let's go on and get right into the video. thank you all for watching, everybody. And I want to give a quick shout out to DC's Bees, who gave me this video idea. It was a very good video idea 6 months ago. So it took me 6 months to do it. I'm sorry, but it just took me a little while to get everything I needed. I had this 2x4 laying around. I had nothing to do with it. So a couple days ago, I was thinking, hey, I have this question here from DC that wanted me to make a bee stand, kind of show how I did it, how we do it. And I decided, hey, I might as well just use that 2x4 that I have sitting around and make the base. I do not have a post at the moment. I have to get one. But it's pretty self-explanatory what you have to do. You have to put the post in the ground, and then you can put that little slot in the middle to keep it centered, put it on top, screw it in, make sure it is nice and tight, make sure it's deep, and you are good to go. So that's the DIY bee stand. Got to be handy with tools, 2x4s, probably a little bit longer than 8 foot, maybe 12 foot, 2x4, and then your post, make sure you dig down deep in the ground. Thank you all for watching. Go on and click the thumbs up button. We'll catch you guys on the next beekeeping video. Take care, everyone.